Hi, I'm Fong Lee. We're in San Jose, California. We're Speed Element, and this is my 2014 Cayman S with the GT4 conversion. So I picked up this car in 2016, used from Florida, shipped it over here, never drove it, just saw pictures of it and just really wanted it. So we actually picked this color from a Lamborghini color from our Aventador. It's actually a Viola Parisipe, so not a color you see very often, not even on exotics. The car originally came as a Cayman S, so it actually had some pretty small brakes, just your regular four piston front and 2 piston rear. We looked at some other brake manufacturers out there, and actually Speed Element works with R1 on some of the brake upgrades. So we decided to go that route, and we reached out to R1, and they actually made a specific application for the car. Performance-wise, what we got on a cost, if you compare it to a OEM Porsche option, which is a Porsche ceramic brake option, which is like a $20,000 brake option. Looking at that and what we get performance-wise, these R1 would be like, the for sure win there. We went with a 8 piston front and 6 piston rear, huge rotors, so it really fills in the wheel well up. The wheels look really great with it. When we look at maintenance-wise, on a Porsche ceramic brake component, you're looking at $5,000 a rotor almost. And those rotors are really expensive. And for us, for less than half the cost, we got a full set of BBK, a full set of aftermarket brakes.